Hey guys, Dave with Newbold Toyota. Congratulations, you got your new Toyota. It's the car you've been waiting for. You're going to keep it forever and drive it into the ground. Well, how do you keep it looking nice, right? Cars all bright, shiny, clear coated. So when cars come to us on trucks, they're coated in plastic all in the front of the hood. They're coated in plastic all on the top because the manufacturers know that once that car leaves the assembly line and is out in the harsh environment, those sun rays and acid rain and bird droppings can do damage to the cars, and they want to protect that before you take delivery of your new vehicle. Well, you're not going to drive around with all the white plastic and stuff on it. So what can you do as a consumer with your new car to protect it for all the years going forward so that you make sure that the car can still look bright and shiny? That's where Elite Protection comes in. It's a ceramic coating. So I don't understand all the science behind it, but basically what it does is there's a compound that they put on top of this car that bonds with the clear coat and then protects that paint to keep it shiny. It'll protect it from acid rain. You ever have these older cars, you see that people don't wash their cars a lot and the whole front bumper is coated with bug guts that ate through the clear coat? It'll protect from that. Sun fading. We live in a pretty harsh environment, right? And especially here in the Midwest, we get the hot temps in the summer and the cold, and all the salt and all of that. That can wreak havoc on your paint. So when this product was first brought to us, we always had people in here trying to offer us stuff to sell to you guys. The guy took some stuff, he put it on the car, he goes to lunch, he comes back like an hour later, he calls us all over to the middle of the showroom floor, and what he does is a white Camry, and he takes this can of black spray paint and just coats it all over the front of the car. Then he takes this little torch and he lights it on fire right there in the showroom floor. And it's burning for a couple seconds. And then he takes the spray paint can and it's got our attention now, right? Well, he blows it out. He takes all the white stuff and wipes it away. And there's not a mark on the clear coat of the car. That's why we're offering it is to our customers, is because we saw how well it can protect your car. They also do something to the interior that helps the cloth be way more stain resistant. They also have it where it protects the leather. It'll prevent your dash from cracking for 7 years. Interior and exterior warranty for 7 years. You get a rip or a tear that's less than a few inches long, they will reupholster your seat for free for 7 years. Your kid has a Sharpie marker and they make a mark on it and you can't get it out, they'll reupholster that. Outside of the car, any of those paint blemishes that we talked about, if any of that damage occurs in the first 7 years, the company will take care of that. And we've been using it for a long time. We've seen them cover these things. So my name's Dave at Newbold Toyota. If you have any questions on the Elite Paint Protection, just let us know. Thanks, guys.